Hey guys, there's a quick look and unboxing of the ugreen power bank with Apple Watch charger built in. It's 2200 milliamps, and yes, the reason I bought this is because every time I went on holiday I had to keep bringing my Apple Watch charger with me, the long lead, and normally I have it on a dock and it was quite annoying. So what you do with this is you just pop your Apple Watch on top of it and it just starts charging. It also has a USB port, so you could charge your phone off of it or any USB chargeable device. These retail for about £30 to £40 on Amazon in the UK. So here it is. And in the box, all you get is a micro USB to charge it up. Just as standard, and some instructions. Not really sure you need them. So here it is. It's a matte black, and you can see a power bar there with a 5-volt 1-amp USB port on the side. You can see the specs there, and then the ugreen logo. So I'm going to peel this off, and this is where your Apple Watch would sit. So I've got my Apple Watch here. So it's got the magnetic bit like the Apple Watch chargers. It slides into place and you press this silver button here next to the input charger. And there you go. The lights have turned on. So what you do is you put your Apple Watch on that. And there we go, it started charging. So when you press the button once, it tells you how much battery you got left. So at the moment I've got 4 bars, and then you just take that abroad with you or wherever you're going on travelling. It's pretty cool, and you can simultaneously plug in your iPhone into this port, so you could use it to charge your iPhone at the same time as a small battery pack. So yeah, it's pretty cool, better than carrying your charger around. So let me know what you think down below. Thanks for watching.